Our job is to make sure that we get the right material at the right time, at the right price, to serve the needs of this business. So really we're like the conduit through which all materials flow and services. So once the order is sold and it's through engineering and we have sight of it, then we're looking to buy materials to fit that particular door, but also keep a stock of all core materials that would fit any door. We pride ourselves on that because communication is key, so we would be the link in the chain, like I say, right through from sales, engineering, production, stores, dispatch, transport, the whole thing. You need to be of a personable manner, you need to be good on the phone, you need to be numerate, literate, pay attention to detail, because the rest can be trained, but the product knowledge will come after that.